All right, here we need to solve the system of equations. So again, this is a system of linear equations. These are both equations of lines. So y equals negative 7x minus 4. That equation is in slope-intercept form. So we know if we were to graph it, it would have a y-intercept of negative 4, and the slope would be negative 7. And then our second equation in the system, negative 8x minus 3y equals negative 1, that equation is actually in standard form. So here you notice we don't have a graph to graph this one to plot points. What we're going to do here is we're actually going to solve this system by graphing it on Desmos. So if you go on the computer, you go to www.desmos.com, and the nice thing about Desmos is it will graph lines that are not in slope-intercept form. So all you need to do to solve the system is graph both of these lines on Desmos and then look at the graph to find the solution. So if we look here, I have done that. I went on Desmos, I typed in y equals negative 7x minus 4, and that is the graph, the line here that is in red. And then I typed in my other equation that was in standard form, negative 8x minus 3y equals negative 1. Type that right in there, and it graphed the line for me. Then all you need to do is look for the point where those two lines intersect. If you click on the point where they intersect, the coordinate will pop up, and here the solution to the system is the ordered pair negative 1, 3.